This video shows a typical use case for Blackbird's data platform. We'll analyze historic natural gas production by county, and we'll focus on Midland SubBasin in West Texas. For these answers, we'll click on this Power BI online data report called U.S. Well Production. And let's go straight to this Gas Prod 1 page. All page 1s have the same visuals in the same place and compare things found higher on these filter boxes on the right, from wellbore profile down to county. All page 2s are the same, and they start with offshore-onshore coalbed methane graph and go down through play, formation, and field. This layout makes it easy to navigate around and find answers fast. Let's go back to Gas Prod 1 page for our use case. Including conventional production from vertical wells is essential many times, but we'll click horizontal only for this use case, and we'll set the subbasin filter to Midland. You can make any visual really big by clicking on more options. You can arrow up on any visual for yearly metrics instead of monthly. We can quickly see Midland County was in the middle of the pack until 2016, but by 2020 it was double the size of the other counties. Martin County also sticks out since it passed 3 other counties since 2017 and moved into second place. This visual is my favorite, and it shows that lots of new production came online in 2018 and 2019. Let's arrow down on the table to county and check rankings by gas production. BI technology is so fast you can click on each county in turn and quickly see when the gas came online and who is producing it.